Welcome back again. So as I've said in our last class, I said we are not done with the CSS grid. So in our first example that we did more of grid template column. So right now I'm going to be using grid template rows in our next example. So this grid template row is a CSS property which defines the line names and track sizing function of the grid rows. So with no much talk, so let's just dive into a perfect example so that you guys are going to understand how this works, and you're also going to practice and code along with me, as I've always said, because it's with practice that you're going to understand anything I'm doing. So right now, let me open here. So I'm giving it a class comment, so you are going to understand grid templates row example. So right now I'm going to be creating a div of grid. So let me create a div of grid with an ID of grid. So let me give ID grid. So you've seen it, I just press the hash. So I've actually explained what an ID is. So I said an ID is a particular attribute we use when we want to style, but it's only used when you only want to style only one particular company. You are not changing everything, just one. Class is used when you want to style more than one. That's when the style is used. So right now I'm creating a div here. In this div, let me have an ID also, area A. So let me just have that. Grid templates row. Let me just write specifying grid row size. So I made a mistake, not spelled well. So right now I'm going to be creating another ID. So hash, right area, not correct spelling. I don't know, I'm not good with spelling. Tab. Mistake. Let me go and create it again. I want you guys to know all this. Area EA is being created, specifying grid row sizes. So right now I've written this. So right now I'm going to style this. So I'm going to go up to our internal style for CSS, and I'm going to be specifying here. Let me save, so you are going to see this. So I'm going to be specifying here with an ID attribute by using the hash symbol. So let me come here. So hash symbol of grid. So what I'm going to write here is display. Either use display grid or display inline grid. They are the same thing. Grid. So I'm going to apply a height of 100 pixels or more. Let me apply more, 200 pixels. So let me apply the grid template row that we are seeing here. Templates row, and I'm going to apply 30 pixels and also in form of fraction. So this 30 pixels and one fraction I'm applying here. So this, you won't see the result of this until I apply a background color to this. That's when you guys are going to see what we're actually doing. So let me style the area A. Okay. I'm going to apply background color going to apply background color of green. Good is good. Wow. And I'm also going to apply a background color of yellow to the second one. So right now, hash area E. So let me check if our spelling is correct. E-R A-R-E-A. Yeah. I'm going to apply that to this. I'm going to apply. So right now, I'm going to apply a background color of yellow because I love the yellow color. Background color of yellow. So you've seen it. What it results into. Let me scroll down. So this one has more fraction. This is only taking 30 pixels of what we've created, while the other side takes the other fraction, the other part. This is only 30. If I put one FR, let's see. Let me go back to our style of CSS, and let me put one FR here. So this is according to rule, that is column. Let me put one FR here. So they are equal now. They are equal. We are seeing it. So let me change this. Let me change it to 20 pixels. It will look more smaller. We are seeing it. So let's do some changes according to pixels. So let's give this 60 pixels. Pixel, so it's reduced the sizes, right? It reduced the height. But if I just give it one F file, it's going to take the width of the full content of that 200 pixel. So you've seen it. So that's what applies here. While using the what grid template row. The grid template row is different from the what grid template column. The examples above we deal with what grid template column, while the one below we deal with what grid template what row. So I believe with these examples that we've done, or let me just add one example so that you can just be conversant with the grid system. So let me apply one or two examples to just see the rough design that you guys are going to see. So take note of that. So we've done, let me apply BR here so that you guys are going to see the difference between these two. So let me apply BR. Yeah, press the tab key. Yes. Yeah. Press the tab key. Control S. So you guys are going to understand. This first one deals with what column, while the second one deals with what row. This deals with column. This deals with row. So thank you for listening to this course. I'll see you again in the next course.